Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have 5-gallon pails of Prime Shine Densifier, which is a premium hybrid silicate floor hardener. It's ideal for new or existing slabs of concrete. It penetrates deep within the slab. It enhances the color, the gloss, the clarity. Has great coverage. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our premium single button 16 grits in the hard bond with tapered edges. Great for machines like Lavina or whomever has drive plates to accept those type of diamonds. This is a great diamond for if you want to prep a floor for an epoxy or some sort of high build coating. It's a true diamond. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our MultiTool 60 grit electroplated triangle pad. Great tool if you want to get rid of like irregular surfaces, if you have any buildup of like glues or whatever in the corners and you have a hard time reaching them. This is the exact tool you need. It has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have a Rhombus single 40 grit and the extra soft bond. This is a great tool for super hard concrete. If you want to do general prep, do some great stock removal, have a tool that lasts but offers great efficiency, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 3-inch 75mm dry polishing pad called the Lustor. This is a phenomenal resin polishing pad. It yields great life. It has no transfer or haze. It probably has the highest gloss numbers or DOI numbers in the industry. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 5-inch 125mm T-Seg concrete cup wheel. This tool is a great tool to have in your toolbox as your general prep wheel. If you want to get rid of, just do general prep, or if you want to do get rid of any type of soft build coating, glues, paints, etc. This is the wheel for you. Message me now.